Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard, a split design keyboard built for comfort, posture support, and productivity. If you've been experiencing wrist or shoulder strain from long hours of typing, this keyboard might be the upgrade your setup needs. It's compatible with Windows and Mac, supports Bluetooth and USB connectivity, and comes with a cushioned wrist rest made of stain-resistant fabric. I've done deep research on this model, through user reviews, ergonomic expert feedback, and spec comparisons, so let's find out if this is really the ergonomic solution it claims to be. Right away, the split and curved keyframe design stands out. The keys are divided into left and right zones with a gentle wave shape and a slight negative tilt. This layout is designed to reduce strain on your wrists and forearms by promoting a more natural hand position while typing. It takes a little getting used to if you've never used a split keyboard before, but within a few days, most users report reduced tension in their shoulders and hands, especially during long typing sessions. The palm lift feature is another subtle but valuable detail. It allows you to angle the keyboard so your wrists remain in a neutral posture, whether you're sitting or standing. Combined with the curved wrist rest, which is padded with memory foam and covered in soft, stain-resistant fabric, the overall typing experience is significantly more comfortable compared to standard flat keyboards. The wrist rest is firm enough to support your hands without sinking or overheating, even during all-day use. Typing on the ERGO K860 feels satisfying. The scissor switch keys have a soft, quiet press, similar to a laptop but with slightly more travel and resistance. It's optimized for comfort without sacrificing typing speed or accuracy. The layout also includes full function keys, media controls, and a numeric keypad, which is great for those who need extra input options. Connectivity is seamless. The ERGO K860 can be paired with up to 3 devices simultaneously, switching between them with the touch of a button. Whether you're bouncing between a Windows laptop, a Mac desktop, or even a tablet, you'll be able to stay connected without constantly repairing. You can use Bluetooth or the included Logi USB receiver, both of which offer stable, lag-free performance. It runs on 2 AAA batteries and gets up to 2 years of battery life, which is incredibly efficient. Design-wise, this keyboard is sleek, minimal, and professional. The matte black finish looks great on any desk, and its lightweight build makes it easy to reposition. It's not compact, but that's intentional. It gives your hands space to rest naturally without cramping. The build quality is solid, with durable keycaps and a wrist rest that holds up well over time, even with heavy daily use. The entire unit feels premium without being flashy. It's also supported by Logitech Options software, which allows you to customize function keys, shortcuts, and device pairing. This is especially useful if you're switching between Mac and Windows or if you rely on workflow-specific shortcuts in tools like Excel, Photoshop, or code editors. The keyboard works well out of the box, but the added customization helps tailor it to your exact needs. Now, let's talk about limitations. First, the learning curve is real. If you've never typed on an ergonomic or split keyboard, the first few days might feel slow or awkward. Gamers or high-speed typists may not love the key travel or lack of mechanical switches. Also, this isn't a backlit keyboard, which can be a deal-breaker for those who work in dim lighting. And while the wrist rest is comfy, it's not detachable, which may limit how you position it on certain desk setups. So, is the Logitech ERGO K860 worth it? If you're someone who types a lot and wants to improve comfort, posture, and long-term wrist health, yes, absolutely. It's thoughtfully designed, quiet, professional-looking, and packed with features that help reduce repetitive strain. It may take a short adjustment period, but once you're past that, it's one of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market today. Click the link below for the best price.